This illustration deals with metal fittings in accordance with 680.26, B as in boy, 5. Purpose of change, a new section was provided. This new section has been added for the bonding of anchors used for pool safety covers to provide clarification for the inspection authority or authorities, such as the authority having jurisdiction, as they have been unsure how they should be addressed previously, and that created great problems for a pool contractor. So first, let's just review what this new section pertains to. Now, looking at the swimming pool, Article 680, you can see in the blue here, these metal fittings is all around the pool. And if we review the arrow information to each one of those fittings, notice that the metal pool cover anchors shall comply with the following. In concrete or masonry deck, 1 inch or less in diameter, so to speak, and any dimensions of 2 inches or less in any flange dimension, and 2 inches or less in length shall not require bonding. So if you want to know what is required to be bonded, then look at this 680.26b. Now, notice a receptacle outlet not over 6 foot from the pool, GFCI protected under these conditions, is permitted if it complies with 680.6, item number 2. The reminder I'd like to remind you here is for splash pools now. They're defined in 680.2, but the installation requirements is in 680.50. So remember, there's a permanently installed pool, then there's just splash pools. And we have to keep those separated in our design and installation. Now, the note is the last thing that we are going to review, and that's on the right-hand side top of the illustration. And the note states, review 680.26B as in boy 5 concerning metal fittings or fitting required or not required to be bonded or bonding required. So it's very important that we, to get away from having to bond these things, which the pool contractors and electricians didn't want to do because it's just almost impossible to do it properly. This gives relief. So the authority having jurisdiction feels sure about their inspection by allowing these to go unbonded.